this frosting recipe, you'll need unsalted butter, confection sugar, and an essence of your choice. I'm using almond essence. So I'm just gonna beat the butter until it turns light and fluffy and more like a whitish color. Then I'm gonna gradually add the confection sugar to the butter, and then I'm just gonna mix that in, make sure everything is dissolved. You don't want to add all the sugar at once because it's gonna blow up, and you want to mix it for at least 5 minutes. After I mixed everything, I added the 2 covers of my essence, and that's it. That's the frosting. Depending on what you want to use the frosting for, you could add more sugar. It depends on what kind of texture you want. Are you gonna use it to ice a cake? Are you gonna use it for the filling? If you're gonna use it for the filling, then you have to use less confection sugar, and if it's to ice the cake, then you use more confection sugar. So it's all based on what you want to use the frosting for. And obviously you could always dye it. So here I dyed it light purple and dark purple, and I have a video on me using it. So if you'd like to see that, stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys.